Hey guys, how's it going? It's me, Chris again, and today we have a 2017 Toyota Sienna maintenance light reset. We are going to use that screen right there and this little button over here. Go ahead and turn on your car without starting. As you can see, never mind that check charging system. But as you can see, the maintenance requires soon. And make sure this ODO right here is on the trip A, and we're gonna be using this button to go find that. Go ahead and press it into, oh, right there. And when you get to trip A, go ahead and turn off your car, and at the same time press and hold this same button and turn your car back on without starting. Give me a second. Press and hold, turn on your car without starting, and you should see the blinker running just like that. And that is it, guys. Make sure you don't forget to click that like. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.